As you all can see, these are the mountains and fertile plains of northern India. We have started with the second chapter, right? And in this chapter, we have seen how beautiful the greater Himalayas is. The greater Himalayas, the lesser Himalayas, and the outer Himalayas. So we'll study further about Himalayas. People of the Himalayan region, if you all can see very clearly, the lifestyle and culture of the people of this region differ from state to state due to the varied landforms and climatic conditions. Like, for example, when we talk about the northern part of our country, India, it's just not about one particular state, it's just not about Jammu Kashmir, it's just not about Himachal Pradesh, it's about each and every state in North India which experience the Himalayan region or the climatic conditions influenced by the surroundings and nature. So that is how the culture as well as the lifestyle of the people is different. Okay. Then the second point which I would like to discuss is people wear warm clothes. Okay, because it's very cool there. It is so cold that people cannot wear the normal clothing. They have to wear clothes made of wool and which keeps them warm, right? So that is what is mentioned in the second point. The third point is agriculture, animal rearing, and handicrafts are the main occupation to the people of this region. Yes, agriculture is a very important aspect because it is the most fertile plains of India. Like, if we had studied previously in the, I mean the before this lecture, that um, there are two rivers, Yamunotri and Gangotri. They arise directly from Himalayas. So the starting point is from Himalayas, right? So can you imagine how fertile the land will be when the pure water is coming out of the glaciers? Okay, from the glaciers, the rivers are forming, right? So it's a very beautiful concept. And in this fertile plains, there is something called as agricultural activity, which is carried out by the farmers. So it's a indeed a great experience to see all these beautiful places. The next point we'll discuss is people live in houses with sloping roofs because of heavy rainfall and snowfall. Yes, because it's such a colder region, okay? So there is something called as snowfalls which is repetitively happening. So it's a very heavy rainfall happens, and that's why the houses have sloping roofs, okay? Next we will study is the people of Jammu Kashmir. What are they called as? They are called as Kashmiris. People of Jammu Kashmir speak Kashmiri, okay, and they also speak other two languages, that is Dogri and Urdu. Traditional dress worn by the women specifically is a long cloak called as firan. If you can see in the pictures, I've two pictures are there. So those two pictures, if you can see very clearly, the women is wearing firan. Okay. Kangri. Now, what is Kangri? Kangri is something like it's so cold out there that the people, they use a clay pot filled with burning coal, that is called as Kangri. So it keeps them hot. They fix this clay pot inside a cane basket. If you can see in the picture, it's a cane basket in which this clay pot is used, and that is called as Kangri. Okay, so yeah, that is for